couple of days should offer something a little bit more like late summer than early autumn. Certainly temperatures staying generally on the high side, particularly where we get some sunshine coming through. There's been plenty of that today. Well, there have been one or two showers running up across the southeast of England, the remnants of storms that have been hitting central and southern France. And this cloud just fringing into the northwest of Scotland will continue to give some patchy rain as well across the Outer Hebrides. But that's the exception. For most of us, it will be a dry afternoon, a fine, warm, sunny afternoon as well, with temperatures widely getting into the low 20s with light winds. That really is feeling quite warm. Bit more in the way of clouds, though, to move down across East Anglia into the southeast of England, and still just about thick enough to give the odd shower around the London area and some of the home counties, although they'll tend to fade away as the afternoon goes on, and showers now very isolated through the rest of the afternoon across the southwest of England. So here generally dry, some sunshine breaking through, and some decent spells of hazy sunshine too across much of Wales and across Northern Ireland. A very pleasant afternoon here. It'll be rather different though for Northern Ireland tomorrow as that rain starts to push in from the west. So slow changes taking place even during tonight as cloud thickens across much of Scotland, Northern Ireland too, some patchy rain moving in, and some of that could even get down into the northwest of England, northern parts of Wales come the end of the night. But for the bulk of England and Wales, it will be dry, some clear spells, but everywhere temperatures holding well up around 12 to 15 degrees typically. Could well see some dense patches of fog developing though across southernmost parts of England. Take a little while to clear away tomorrow morning, but for most of the Midlands, East Anglia, Lincolnshire, I think we will get a dry and a bright start. But there's that cloud. We start meeting it across the Lake District Fells, some mistiness here across much of the Highlands as well. A rather grey and damp start to the day, but east of the Grampians we should see some brightness from the word go. But Northern Ireland, quite a different day I think. Fairly grey skies to start the day, little prospects of much in the way of brightness. Western parts of Wales probably hanging on to the cloud as well, but across much of the southwest of England I think we will get some brightness coming through, some sunshine particularly during the early part of the day. A little bit more of a breeze perhaps picking up coming in from the southwest, but still a mild start with temperatures at around 13 or 14 degrees. Now through the day much of England and Wales does stay dry. Still some sunshine breaking through, the best of it though in the south and the east. But notice that rain pushing in across Northern Ireland. It's going to turn quite wet here I think through the middle part of the day, and eventually that rain spreading into western Scotland, so cooler here at around about 18 degrees. A fairly cloudy day for most of us on Thursday. That rain getting perilously close to the oval I think, but it's on Friday that we'll really start to see the unsettled weather setting in, particularly across England and Wales.